So
Right.
yeah, there's a thin line, right? It's not yours, but you're trying to use the tool to make work easier. So I think yeah, the boundaries when it comes to integrity really thins down.
There's another boundary actually when it comes to
Hmm.
leadership, and you mentioned this earlier. It
Hmm.
talks about decision making.
Hmm.
Now, decision making is it's really part of leadership, and unfortunately, or I don't want to say unfortunately because it seems to be an aspect of all leadership.
Hmm.
The higher up you go, you have to make bigger decisions on less information.
Right.
Okay, so it does become tricky. And I sometimes there might be the temptation to just let AI decide for you.
Hmm.
Okay, and that for me is a little tricky, especially on the ethics side.